Hey, what's up? It's Mama Bird. So, good news and possibly bad news. I got a job application and it is for the Refuge Center down in Villa Park, right across the street from my old school, Albright Middle School. Possible bad news is it's only open to 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. But I don't know how it's gonna work out because I would have to go on the weekends, but I don't know. But that is what I'm going for. I'm going for the beginning start of the bird hospital situation. So that'll be a good start. And then, yeah, keep me updated about what you guys say. And I will keep you updated about the job. Yes, I think it'll be awesome for me. And I think I'll do pretty awesome. So Mother Bird has a job. Yay, awesome.